In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to schedule a Zoom meeting and invite someone. First, go ahead and open Zoom. Once the app loads, you'll arrive at the home screen, which is where you can quickly create, join, or manage meetings. For this tutorial, we're focusing on setting up a new meeting in advance. So look for the schedule option and click it. A small scheduling window will appear. In this window, start entering your meeting details. Add a clear meeting title so it's easy to recognize later, especially if you schedule meetings often. Then set the start date and time, along with the end date and time if that option is available in your Zoom setup. Make sure the time zone is correct as well, since this is important when participants may be joining from different locations. If this is a meeting that happens regularly, you can also choose the repeat or recurring option if applicable. Taking a moment here to double check the date, time, and time zone can help prevent confusion later. Next, move to the invitees field. This is where you can add the people you want to attend the meeting, enter the attendee's name, phone number, or email address, depending on what information is available in your Zoom contacts or directory. If Zoom recognizes the contact, you can select them from the suggestions. This step is useful because it helps connect the meeting directly to the people you want to invite. You'll also see a setting for the meeting ID. Here you can choose whether to generate a meeting ID automatically or use your personal meeting ID. In the same area, you may also have the option to edit the passcode and disable the waiting room. These settings affect how participants access the meeting, so review them carefully before saving. Once everything looks good, click Save. After that, your scheduled meeting will appear on the Zoom home screen, making it easy to find when the meeting time arrives. If you forgot to add someone in the invitees field, or if Zoom doesn't recognize their name, phone number, or email, don't worry. You can still send them the meeting information another way. Find the scheduled meeting on the home screen, click the More Options icon, and then select Copy Invitation. This will copy the full meeting invite details so you can paste and send them through another messaging platform, such as email or chat. That's all there is to it. You've now scheduled a Zoom meeting and shared the invitation with others.